Hi Joshua and Jessica, we're back with Mac, who is actually, which he was limping a little bit that day, but he's definitely having the pano attack, so we're going to go and get that food. And remember how I said the one bag wasn't open? Well, the Great Dane decided to rip the bag open, so if nothing else, I'll just go get that food and feed that food to the Great Dane, because the pieces are like this big. Remind me when we come back, Victoria, I'll make a video. The pieces of food are like this big. It's unbelievable. So anyway, I put him on the Rimadyl, so, and hers seems to pretty much have gone away, but just working on the, I don't want the leash made tight thing. And what I've seen with them, you guys, once they're around the dog, for the most part, they're pretty much fine, even though we have had a couple incidents. What it is with them is when the dog first appears on the scene. So I've got Marzi and Sorsha, and when we were bringing them all out here, I let them out, and these two were running for their lives from like the two most submissive dogs we have. So, I mean, it's definitely somewhat fear-based. I'll keep you away, and it is kind of a bully, you know, thing too, because Marzi's about as subservient as an animal as we can get, but she was like boosting him in the butt, and he was running for his life. So I've told Victoria, I'm going to tell her, and we're going to let him out in the, you know, after I'm starting to do the walking back and forth, because once something appears on the scene, then that's when they're going to do it. Or if you were out and the dog suddenly appeared, I'm pretty sure they would do it. So still doing the walking back and forth. We haven't started doing any heel. I haven't started adding that word yet, because we're still at the subtask of I don't want the leash made tight. So I don't have the sound thing on, but I'm working on just bending. See, I'm turning directly away, but you guys want something to do all this. As quick as possible, factoring the leash out. I get crazy. See, I'm turning him with the pager, not pulling him with the leash. Before you get ready to let them out. Alright, go ahead. I got a good grip on my handle. It really is the dynamic that I perfectly see the dog, you perfectly see the dog. We're not having any reaction.